Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create mega menu using Elementskit. So let's begin. Alright, to create the mega menu in the WordPress using Elementskit, first of all what we have to do, we have to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin, and here we have to search for Elementskit. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the Elementskit Elementor add-ons here, so we have to install this. Now what we have to do, we have to click on activate. Perfect. So now what we have to do, we're going to go inside Elementskit and click on header and footer. Alright, so here you have to make sure one thing, that you should enable the header footer module and also the mega menu. Okay. And you can also explore the other options here as well. So we have the journal, we have the VP post, we have the header footer, we have the form widgets, and after that we have the social media feeds, then the WooCommerce, and then the meeting widgets, and then we have the review widgets. But these last ones are actually the part of pro version. So right now we're going to simply click on next step, and we're going to click on next step, next. All right, so we have successfully configured our Elementskit, and now what we have to do, we have to click on header and footer again, and here I have to click on add new template. This will be, let's say, mega header or something, whatever you would like to give it as a title. And I would activate this, click on save changes. Okay, and now what we need to do, I'm going to simply click on edit here, click on edit content. First thing that we have to do is to create our custom header with the Elementskit. Then we'll be able to create our mega menu into it. Okay. Alright, so for the header, I'm going to keep it really simple because we are focusing on the mega menu thing. So I'm going to simply add the container here, flexbox, and it will have the 2-column structure. So in the first one, we're going to have our logo. Let's click on add element, drag the image here into the first column. And now on the second one, what I would do, I'm going to simply write down menu here, and you can see the option of Elementskit name menu. I'm going to simply drag this and put this here on the second one. Perfect. So now let's click on the image, click on the choose image, and we're going to pick any image from here. So I would like to go here with this one. Let's click on select. Perfect. Now let's click on our Elementskit name menu, and here I have to add my menu that I have on my WordPress. Now we can also change the position of it from the left side to the center to the right and justified. So I can go here with the justified. Yeah, this is looking better. And one thing that I have to do here is that I would like to change the content width to the full width. Okay, this is looking good. And now I'm going to change the position. So this is going to be center. Okay, so now this is looking good. All right, and we can go inside the style, and I can increase the height of the menu, and I can also decrease this. So I'm going to decrease this to the 60px. Okay, I think this is enough. And now I'm going to also click on menu item style, and here I'm going to add some spacing here to our items. So this is going to be, so I have to add this from the left side and the right side. So I'm going to remove the value from the bottom. That will be 0. The top will be 0 as well. Okay, so I think we're gonna have 45 on the right side and 45 on the left side. Okay, so that would make sense. Now let's change the size of our logo here. Let's keep it small now. So I would go here with the 25%. This is looking fine. And let's click on our main container, and I will put this into the center, align the items into the center. Perfect. And one thing that we can do here, so I think I would go here with maybe the left side. That is looking good. Okay, so that is fine. And now let's just add the background color to this. So I'm going to simply add the background color. That would be white. And now let's just publish this. Okay. And now what I have to do, I have to go back to the WordPress. Perfect. Now let's click on our visit site. Now you'll be able to see our menu here, the custom menu. Now we're going to create the mega menu into our navbar that we have created with the Elementskit. So that was the first step. So now what I have to do, I have to go inside the appearance and click on the menus. And here you will be able to see the option of Elementskit mega menu. So we will need to enable this, and you will only be able to see this option if you have installed the Elementskit. Okay, so now you can see the option here of the mega menu, okay, on each of these menu items. Now I'm going to click on the second one, and I would enable this. And now let's click on edit mega menu content. And from here, we're going to add our mega menu to our about us menu item. Okay, so we can create the things from the scratch if you want to. But Elementskit also give us the pre-made designs for our mega menu if you want to use that. So for that, what we need to do, we're going to click on Elementskit here, and here you will be able to see the templates. We have the sections. Okay, all right, so now I think we need to search for the mega menu here. Okay, so here you can see the option of the mega menu. So I'm going to simply click on this, and from here you can see this, we have these different sections. Okay, so we're going to go here with this one. So in these sections, some of these sections are actually the part of Pro version where you can see Go premium options, but there are some options which are actually free, and you can see the option of insert here directly. Okay, so I'm gonna add here, maybe we can start with this one, but since we are adding this on the about us, so I'm gonna go here with all, and I will actually search for something that we can use our team. Okay, that will be the part of about us. All right, so we can use any of these options here. So I'm gonna go here with this one. So let's click on insert, and now you will be able to see our about us section. So we can simply edit this from here. So we can change the image, we can change the text here, we can change the heading here. So whatever you want to do here, it is completely customizable. Okay, if you wanted to change the icon here, you can change the icon here. So you have all the options of customization here on our pre-made designs. But right now I'm going to simply publish this, and we'll simply close this. Okay, so here what we have to do, we're going to go inside the settings, and we'll go here with the full width. And now let's click on save. And now we have to click on the cross icon. Now let's click on the save menu again. And now what you have to do, we have to refresh the page. And now you will be able to see about us section here. Okay, so we do have to adjust the position of this. So for that, we're going to go back, and let's click on the about us section again. And now let's click on the mega menu on the about. Let's just go to the settings, and from here we can go here with the default. Okay, and we can also go here with the default width. So let's click on save, and now we're going to see whether this is working fine or not. All right, so now we have to go back here, refresh the page, and now you can see this, we are having our section here. This is looking fine, and we can try one thing here. Now we can try the full width as well with the default position. So we're going to go here with the full width, click on save menu again, go back to our website, refresh the page. All right, so now you can see here, this is looking perfect. So similarly, if I have to add something on the services, I can go for that. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to click on the services, click on the mega menu, enable this. And here we're going to go here with the full width, default position. Now what you have to do, click on edit mega menu content. First, now we're going to simply click on Elementskit again. And here we're going to click on mega menu this time. And I'm going to go here with, so what do we have in the section? We want to do this on the services. Okay, so we can click on this one, or we can go here with this one as well. So I'm going to insert this one. All right, perfect. Right, so here you can see this, we are having our services. So I can simply remove these logos from here because I don't need this part, and we can only use this part. Here what we're gonna do, we can simply remove the picture here because we don't need this. So I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna also delete this from the second one, and also from the third one, and also from the last one. Okay, and now you can see this, I can simply change the text here as per my services. So whatever services that I wanted to add, so I can simply add the text here in the text, and you can also add the icon into this and the link as well. So this is how you can also customize these pre-made sections from the Elementskit. Now we're going to simply publish this and click on the cross icon, click on save again. I'm going to close this. Now we're going to click on save menu. And now if you go back to our website, refresh the page. And now if I hover over the services, you will be able to see all the services options that we have. Okay. Obviously, we need to edit our text here, but this is how you can add the services. And then what we can also have the projects or something. So for the projects, let's just click on the projects here. And we have to edit our mega menu here. All right, so here in the last section, I won't be using anything with the Elementskit. I will actually do the things from the scratch. And here, I'm going to go here with the 3-column structure, or we can go here with the 4-column structure. And I'm going to go here with the full width and my container. And basically what I will need to do, I will add the heading as in the first one. So I can write down, let's say project 1. And I'm going to change that typography here, basically the size of it. So I'm going to go here with the 30. Perfect. And we're going to put this into the center. And similarly, I'm going to add the image here. So in the image, we can basically add the projects, whatever you wanted to add. So let's say that I wanted to go here with this one. So we can go here with these logos here as the project. Okay, just assuming. I'm going to increase the width of it. This is going to be 50%. And then what I need to do, I will actually do some padding here on our project. So let's click on the main container. Let's just add the padding here. So this is going to be 30px. And we can add the background color. That is going to be the white color. And then we can add the border. This is going to be none basically. But I would like to add some border radius. So this is going to be, let's say 25. And then we can simply click on the box shadow. All right, so this is looking good. And what I can do here, basically I can repeat this thing. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to simply copy the heading and also the image. I'll simply copy this and I'm going to put this into the second container. And I'll do this for the third one and also for the last one. And then what we're going to do, we're going to copy the style of the first one. Let's click on copy and I will paste the style here. Okay. Let's just do this for the third one. Let's just do this for the last one. Perfect. Now we just need to change the values here. I'm going to change the value here. So this is going to be project 2. This is going to be project 3. And this is going to be project 4. Perfect. And now what you have to do, we're going to change the image here. So let's go here with this one. On the third one, let's just go here with this logo. And for this one, we're going to go here with this logo. Perfect. And now what we have to do, we have to add some space between our containers. All right. So how are we going to do this? We're going to add some space here. I think that is looking fine. And also on the row as well. Okay, perfect. And now what you have to do, I'm going to add some padding. All right, so this is looking perfect. And here we can go here with the white background as well. So let's click on the classic, go here with the color. Perfect. Now let's click on publish and we have to close this. Go here with the full width and the default position, click on save. Now we're going to close this, click on save menu again. All right, so now we're going to go back to our tutorials, click on refresh. All right, so now if I hover over the projects, you will be able to see our projects here. Okay, so this is how you can also create custom mega menu here as well. All right, so this is how we can create the mega menu with the help of Elementskit in WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.